At the end of this video, you should be able to create a letterhead using Microsoft Office Word. Check out our previous video on how to design a professional CV, also known as resume, using Microsoft Office Word. So without much ado, let's get started. Open a new page, a new document in Microsoft Office Word. Go to page layout, click on margins, then click on narrow. So go to insert, click on shapes. Now go to flowchart option and click on flowchart manual input. Click on it and then you draw and make it kind of wider but not too big. So try to adjust it to the left. So go to shape fill, click on theme color and then give it black. Come to shape outline, go to no outline. Now we want to rotate. At the format section, click on rotate and then click on flip vertical. Click on it, then adjust this to the top and then adjust this. So now we want to duplicate this flowchart shape. There are two ways to do it. Is that you press Ctrl D, it's going to be duplicated, or you click on it, you right click and then click on copy, right click again and click on paste. It's going to be duplicated. So either one you want to use, go to shape fill and then click on white. Now once you have done that, move it to the top. Do not mind where it is going, it's not going to do anything. So adjust it and then to give you something like this. Now duplicate again and then click on shape fill and then give it blue, dark blue. So take this to the top again and then you adjust it until you get something like this. So now come to insert, then click on shape and click on text box. Now draw the text box to this side. Make sure that there is a space in here, that it doesn't reach the top. Now type the desired name. Now the font we are going to use is Frantic Gothic. Now highlight the text, click on home, then change the font to Frantic Gothic Heavy and then increase the font size to like let's use 36 and then centralize it by pressing Ctrl E. Now come to format, click on shape fill and then click on no fill. Click on shape outline again and then click on no outline. Now for this text we want to change the color to white. Highlight the text, click on home, come to font color and then click on white. So here it is. You can however increase the font size to your desired taste. Now come to insert again, click on shape, click on text box and then draw the text box here. Now type the desired contacts. Now centralize the text by pressing Ctrl P and then increase the text to 14. Make sure it is in Calibri and you can use whatever text you want to use. Now come to format, click on shape fill, and then click on no fill, click on shape outline, click on no outline. Now change the color of this by coming to home, click on font color and click on white. So here it is. So now again, come to insert, click on shape, click on text box, and as we are going to draw another text box. So at this side here, what we are going to type is the address. So once you are satisfied, press Ctrl E to centralize it, and then increase the font size to 14, and then remove the outline by coming to shape fill, remove the outline also, and then highlight on the text, come to home, and then change the font text to white. However, you can place your address at the top and then the contact to the bottom, depending on what you want to use. But for this tutorial, let's just make it like that. So now let's come to the footer side. Now if you go to insert, come to shape and click on rectangle tool. This rectangle tool, you'll see it there. Now draw the rectangle tool here, not too big. Then you adjust. Now click on format, come to shape fill and give it black. Now come to insert, click on shape and click on text box while you input a text box here. Now you type the mail. Now highlight on the name and press on Ctrl E. Now click on the text box, come to shape fill and give it blue. Now come to shape outline and give it no outline, and also the text you increase it to 14. So once you are satisfied with the design, there is another thing we need to put, and that is a watermark and also this ref. Now how are we going to input the watermark? Come to page layout, then come to watermark, so you click on it. Now come to custom watermark, click on it, and then click on picture watermark, and then you come to scale and then give it 100%. So now come to select picture. It's going to load down to the picture. Now click on the logo that you want to use. Now for an example, let's say this is the logo. I click on the logo and then click on insert. So you must take note of this is in 100%. Make sure wash out is checked. Click on apply. You will see the effect here. Now can you see the effect? Actually, because the logo is kind of not really transparent, but if your logo is kind of solid, 100% is okay, but let's use 200 for this so that you can see it very well. Can you see it? So then once you click on apply, you close. So here it is, the logo here. Now the last but not the least is by coming to insert, then click on shape and click on text box, and then you draw your text box in here. You put this one down, place it up, and then make sure it's reach the edge. So type ref and press tab and the date. Sorry for that. So once you are satisfied, some people do put our ref there, so depending on what you want to put, then come to format, click on shape outline and click on no outline. So this is how to create a simple letterhead using Microsoft Office Word. If you gained something from this video, please consider to subscribe and comment. Share this with those that might need it. Check out our next video. Good day.